everyone. We are starting a vlog today a little differently. We are getting ready to go to Lac du Flambeau, Wisconsin. It's in the North Woods. Our friend from college, his family has a house up there, so we're going for Labor Day weekend. We're super excited, and we are just packing up. We have a lot of stuff. You'd think we were going for a month. We left our house shortly after 10 a.m. and it was about a 5.5 hour drive to get to Lac du Flambeau. On our way, we knew we wanted to make fun stops, and we saw a sign for the world's largest culvers. We thought that was really funny, and we love culvers, so we decided to stop. It really didn't seem that much larger than other culvers, but it did have this meeting room off to the side, so maybe that's what makes it the world's largest culvers. Then we hit the road again, and shortly after that, we saw a sign for the cheese chalet, and we thought we should stop to get some Wisconsin cheese, and so we stopped. We ended up getting a few different kinds of cheese. I got a strawberry rhubarb New Glarus beer, and I got a postcard to send to my nephew. Once we left the cheese chalet, we made our final leg of the trip to get to Lac du Flambeau. We got up here. I'm so excited. Let me just show you our view. Charlie and I were the first ones to arrive, and we just hung out on the dock for a little bit with our friend John, who graciously hosted us. It was sunny when we first got there, and then some clouds rolled in with some storms, and it just made this crazy cool pink sky. So we just sat out on the deck and watched this for a while. Our other friends, Frank and Kayla, arrived, and then we headed out to a supper club, Norwood Pines Supper Club. Thank you to John for making the reservation for this, because I was seriously so excited to go. I love supper clubs, and this one was just so special. We got an order of the pine cones, which were just deep fried potato, and some cheese curds. And then for our meals, most of us got the fish fry, and Kayla got some chicken. It was such a great meal. I can't recommend this place enough. We ended the night with a bonfire. Day 2, we had a little bit of a slower morning. Everyone else in our group arrived, and then we got ready to take the boat out. When we got back from the boat, we just grabbed some snacks, some drinks, and hung out on the dock. Some people got in the water. It was only about 70 degrees, but in the sun it felt so warm, and it was just the best way to end the day. Good morning. We just woke up for the day. Last night we kind of had a low-key night. We just hung out, had some dinner, played some games, watched a movie. Most people fell asleep during the movie, and then we all went to sleep. This morning, Charlie and I are gonna be heading out. Well, later in the day we're heading out. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a little bit of a slower morning, and then we're gonna hit the road. After breakfast, Charlie and I got on the rowboat and did some fishing. We just got done fishing. That was super fun. Charlie caught 2 fish. He let me reel in the second, so he's kind of saying that I caught a fish, but I just reeled it in, and I didn't even do a very good job of that, but oh well, it was fun. Right now, Charlie and I are just gonna drive into town, into Minocqua, and there is a cool antique shop that our friend was telling us about, so I think we're gonna stop there, maybe find a place to get lunch, and just kind of walk around. So we will take you along with. We had a great lunch at Otto's, and afterward we headed to the Gaslight Antique store. We had such a great time looking around. It was really big, so many nooks and crannies. Charlie could have been there for days if I let him. We ended up finding these glasses that his mom actually has. So we called her to double check that these were the glasses she has, and then we bought the set for her because she's always wanted more. Finally, we stopped at Dan's Minocqua Fudge, and we got 2 different kinds of fudge. All right, that's a wrap on our Minocqua, Wisconsin trip. We had a blast, and it was so much fun this last day, just kind of going into town, exploring a little bit, getting lunch, going to the antique store, getting some fudge. All in all, great trip. Thank you so much to our friend for having us. It was seriously such a great weekend and a perfect way to end the summer. And thanks for traveling with us on the Midwest Travel Vlog. Be sure to subscribe for more Midwest content.